a derivation of the formula for the power. So power is equal to work done divided by the time. So we know that power is done by a certain work, of course. In terms of the charge, kapag may charge tayo, we have, just so remember the power of the charge, which is the uh, work is equal to the charge multiplied by the volt. So remember, so we have work is equal to the charge multiplied by the volts. We're going to substitute W to this. So which is P is equal to QV divided by the time. So we have a certain formula which is P is equal to Q charge times volt divided by the time. In a circuit, current, we have the formula which is I, current natin, tatandaan last week na we had just discussed, charge divided by the time. So, papalitan natin si, kunin natin ang binigay ito. So, as we said, P is equal to Q, V divided by time. So, meron tayong Q, ito yung meron tayong Q. So, derive natin muna, kunin natin si Q. Si Q is equal to I times time. So, meron tayong Q, which is P is equal to the Q, the value for the Q is IT times the volt divided by the time. So, as you notice mga anak, mayroon tayong time. So, we need to cancel it out. P is equal to IB. This is now the formula for the power in terms of the circuit. So, power is, the unit of the power would be, unit nito ay watts. And then ito ay current, amperes, and then volts, we have volts. So, ganun pa rin po yung ating procedure. So, P is equal to current multiplied by the volts. Ito yung magiging formula natin. Wherein the unit for the power is watts. Now, paano kapag ang given, halimbawa, let's say ang binigay na given ay resistance and current lang yung binigay. So, may certain formula tayo. Gamitin natin yung formula ng ating Ohm's Law, which is formula ng Ohm's Law I is equal to V over R. So, papalitan na natin, kukunin natin papalitan na natin si voltage ng ating formula. So, substitute na, cross multiply natin to. We have V is equal to IR para makuha natin si B. So, we have power is equal to I multiplied yung value ng ating B, which is IR. Then next, I times I, we have P is equal to I squared times R. So this is now the formula if the given is resistance and current. And then we are looking for the power. Now, paano kapag ang hinahanap naman natin ay ang binigay ay voltage and then resistance, ang binigay na given, and then we're looking for the power. So, same pa rin procedure. Power, formula natin, which is power, we have I squared times the resistance. So, papalitan natin to si I ng formula natin, di ba? Sabi natin, I is equal to B divided by R, comes from the Ohm's law. So, papalitan natin to si I ng B over R. Kung papansin niyo may squared tayo. Lalagyan mo lang yun ng squared. And then R. So, we have B squared divided by R squared multiplied by the R. So, we canceled out R. So, you have B squared divided by the R. So, this is now the formula if the given only is voltage and resistance. So, B squared is divided by the R.